Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a calendar group on the Calendars application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application Calendar, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, search for the application Calendar. Open up the application. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to delete a calendar group. As you know, in the previous tutorials, I did create the calendar group. Now we will be doing the complete opposite by removing the group of the system. So if we now navigate to the left hand side navigation menu where we have on my Mac others, so we can now go to group, which is expandable. And so if we right click on group to delete, that itself now has been deleted. So the group we created has been deleted. Right click, calendar group deleted. Yes. So we can now quit calendar. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.